Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Dude Man Bro, and I'm just bringing you guys another quick video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday. It's actually really early right now, or late, depending on who you are. But I wanted to get this video out here because I had a great idea for a video. Um, the main guy who The Big Short was based off of, Michael Burry, he actually just his company Scion Capital just did a 13F, which is a SEC filing for the companies that he actually um, is investing in and has stock shares in. And here's a screenshot of all the new and old things that he had. He has a couple calls out there too and everything. And I kind of just wanted to go over a couple of the really good ones that I think they're awesome. You know, he probably knows a lot more about the stock market than me, but he has some very interesting calls and everything. And I kind of wanted to just get into this and shoot you guys a video and see what you guys think. So one of the first ones he has is Boeing. Um, this is actually a great company, and if I did have a little bit more capital, I probably would invest a little bit in. They hold a monopoly in two different fields, and I mean they've been ridden with bad luck with a couple of their projects, but I mean the Boeing company has been on the top for a very long time, and they show very strong support for space exploration and everything. So I'm not going to go into that one too much because I'm not very interested about that one. The second one is another one, but I think it's a really great company, Facebook. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knows Facebook by now. It's a great company. I think it's going to go up crazy in the coming years. It's another really great company. So that's the second one. The third one I think is very interesting that he started to invest in, and that's Jack in the Box. And this one is very interesting because majority, actually all of their restaurant chains are based on the West Coast, and majority of them are actually in California. But they're doing amazing, and this might just be a play that he played when I believe he got most of his shares for when it was at the lowest at about $36. So he made probably double his money already. But this is a very interesting play, I think, though, because Jack in the Box could be one of those companies in the future if they do brand out to the East Coast, or they get more buildings and whatnot. I could see them being like a McDonald's, a big company like that. And if that is true, then that stock will probably double, if not triple, within the next couple of years. But I mean, that's all speculation. Once again, I'm not a financial coach or anything, so these are just a couple of my thoughts and everything I wanted to get out there. The next one is another very interesting one. It's actually one that I might get into, and that's Discovery. This is a company that owns Discovery Channel, Discovery Kids, the Oprah Network, Oprah Winfrey Network, and Travel Channel. They've been actually killing it through this whole entire thing because it's one company that doesn't necessarily need and closing down facilities to be able to tape stuff. So there's no need, to everyone loves to see, like a tiger destroy something or like animals, and it's not something that they'll ever have to brand out or be worried about people not watching. So this is actually one that I think I might get into because I see that they haven't really been affected that much by the Rona. And actually, last year they paid off of their debt too. And actually, they are down 30% on their stock too. So, I mean, this is a very interesting one, and I think that I might pull the trigger on a few shares because I see it going up for sure. The next one is going to be Qorvo Inc. And sorry if I killed that pronunciation and whatnot. And this is an interesting play because it's a company that works with radio frequencies for mobile aerospace and defense infrastructures. So if you guys were like, what the heck does that mean? Basically, this company works with 5G and they're developing 5G things. So I believe that that's probably what he's playing this one for. with 5G on the horizon, I mean, it's only a matter of time before that becomes a thing, and they get a lot more towers, and it's going to be 5 times faster than anything that we have. Like LTE will blow it out of the freaking water. So this might be one of those plays. Me personally, though, I think that two better plays would be Qualcomm and Skywork Solutions. Me personally, but this is another probably really good play for the 5G. The next stock that I am going to go over is Michaels, and this is an interesting one for sure, because they've been very hurt by this whole Rona thing, and actually last year, and coming into this year, suggested that only 5% of its sales actually come from online. So that is really weird to me, but they actually did reach out to UPS for a delivery at their stores. So that was an interesting thing, but I could see this becoming one of those companies that is almost like Amazon in a way, where they just get rid of majority of their stores. And I think if they handled the online market good, I think that the stock could double or triple in price right now, for sure. But I just don't think that it has an online presence that well. And a lot of people just love going to the stores, and I've been to that store multiple times, and I get lost every single time. Like it's impossible to go through like the whole entire thing. So that's an interesting one. And the last one I'm going to go over a little bit is Maxar Technologies, and this one I'm super bullish on. And this is I'm probably going to buy a good amount of this stock actually. This company is a space technology company that works with observation radar satellites. They actually made a deal that was announced last year, that they sold their division of MDA satellites for 1 billion Canadian to a company, and I don't think that has reflected on the price of the stock right now, because as of right now, it's trading at as low as 2018 prices. And also another thing, that for 2021, for a whole gaggle of satellites, and also they are Telesat is actually contracting out satellites for a new constellation, and it's a rumor that Maxar is going after that contract. And if with all this news and everything, I could easily see this going to 30 plus. So it'd be an easy way to 2x your money, I think, easily. So yeah, there's some other ones that he has purchased, or he's kind of puts in. I'll go over a couple of them too. There's GameStop. I'm not too bullish on GameStop, even though I'm a gamer. I see that the demise of GameStop, if anything, their saving grace might be that they get bought out by another company, but that's too risky for me to take a position in or anything. He also did have two casino stocks, Wynn Resorts and Las Vegas Sands. So those are two pretty good companies, honestly. And especially with the Rona thing and places opening up, that is a very good one to go after. But I'm not very interested in that one. I'm very particular about some of the stocks that I go after. Tell me what you guys think about this and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys can smash that like button, share, and subscribe, that'd be excellent. I very, very much appreciate everything. But I mean, how's your guys' Sunday going? Are you guys enjoying your weekend? What's on your guys' watch list? Have you watched The Big Short? Did you like the movie? I particularly really actually liked the movie a lot. Everybody was great in that movie. I thought, the actresses and actors were perfect. But let me know. But as always, I hope your losses are a lot less than your profits. Stay classy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.